Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. If you want to speak English clearly like a native, top 10 sentences and phrases are here. We're gonna learn about them because native speakers use them all a lot in daily talk and conversation. Let's take them one by one with meaning and examples. Please take time, write them all, make a practice and use them in your conversation. Let's get started. Number 1, you can count on me. You can count on me जिसका मतलब है मुझ पर भरोसा कर सकते हैं. Count on का मतलब to trust, to rely on, भरोसा करना. इस एक्सप्रेशन का यूज़ I will support you, I will help you, you can rely on me, I will be there for you. इन तमाम मीनिंग में कर सकते हैं. It's often used to convey commitment, reliability and trustworthiness. For example, I'm always with you, you can count on me. I'm always with you, you can count on me. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ हूँ, तुम मुझ पर भरोसा कर सकते हो. Next sentence, you can count on me, I will help you. It means you can trust me, I will help you. Number 2, don't yell at me. Don't yell at me. The phrase don't yell at me means please don't speak to me in a loud or angry tone. Please don't speak to me in a loud or angry tone. जिसका मतलब है मुझ पर मत चिल्लाएं. Yell means चिल्लाना. बराह करम मुझ पर मत चिल्लाएं, मैं तो आपकी सिर्फ मदद करने की कोशिश कर रहा था. Don't yell at me, I'm just trying to help you. Number 3, take your time. Take your time. It is a common expression that means don't rush, do it at your own pace. There is no hurry. जिसका मतलब है आराम से, इत्मीनान से या वक्त ले लो. मिसाल के तौर पे वक्त ले लो, हमें जल्दी नहीं है. Take your time, we are not in a rush. इस बारे में सोचने के लिए वक्त ले लो और जब तैयार हो मुझे बता देना. Take your time to think about it and let me know when you are ready. Number 4, no worries. No worries. It's too a common expression that means don't worry about it, it's okay, no problem. जिसका मतलब है कोई बात नहीं या परेशानी की कोई बात नहीं. For example, no worries, I will take care of it. No worries, I will take care of it. कोई बात नहीं, मैं इसका ख्याल रखूँगा. Number 5, it's not a big deal, it's no big deal. It means something is not significant or important. There is no need to worry or stress about it. जिसका मतलब है कोई बड़ी बात नहीं, कोई बड़ा मसला नहीं. For example, I forgot to call you back. It's not a big deal. I knew you were busy. मैं आपको फ़ोन करना भूल गया, कोई बड़ा मसला नहीं, मुझे मालूम था कि आप बिज़ी हैं. Number 6, I'm starving या I'm starving. It means I'm very hungry, I need to eat soon. जिसका मतलब है मुझे बहुत भूख लगी है. It's often used to express extreme hunger, request food, indicate that it is time for a meal. Example, I'm starving after that workout. I'm starving after that workout. इस workout के बाद मुझे बहुत भूख लगी है. Number 7, what's up? What's up? It means how are you? What's going on? What's wrong? What's new? आप कैसे हैं? क्या चल रहा है? क्या परेशानी है? या क्या सब नया है? इन तमाम मीनिंग में हम इसका इस्तेमाल करते हैं. इन तमाम मीनिंग में इसका हम यूज़ करते हैं. For example, what's up? Nothing, not much. सब क्या चल रहा है? कुछ भी नहीं, ज़्यादा नहीं. Next example, you seem upset. What's up? You seem upset. What's up? तुम घबराए हुए लगते हो, क्या परेशानी है? Number 8, I will be right back. I will be right back. It is a common phrase. It means leaving briefly but to intend to return very soon. जिसका मतलब है मैं जल्द वापस आता हूँ. For example, I'm going to get some water. I will be right back. I'm going to get some water. I will be right back. मैं कुछ पानी लेने जा रहा हूँ, बस जल्द वापस आता हूँ. Number 9. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. जिसका मतलब है कोई बात नहीं, कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. For example, you talk with your friend. Friend, I'm sorry, I forgot your book. I'm sorry, I forgot your book. मैं माजरत चाहता हूँ कि आपकी किताब भूल गया. You, it doesn't matter, I can get it another time. कोई बात नहीं, दूसरे वक्त ले सकते हैं. It doesn't matter if you are a few minutes late. कोई बात नहीं अगर तुम्हें कुछ देर ताख़िर हो जाती है. Last, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. जिसका मतलब है मैं तो बस मजाक कर रहा हूँ. It's used to imply that what was said previously was not meant to be taken seriously. यानी it was just a joke. Example, I'm just kidding, don't worry about it. I'm just kidding, don't worry about it. मैं तो सिर्फ मजाक कर रहा हूँ, इसके बारे में परेशान मत हो. I hope you enjoy this lesson. If you would like to improve your English language skills, subscribe to my YouTube channel, English with Shan. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.